Hello there. All right, I wanted to show you how I use a spray bottle when I'm painting to get a drip effect. And I thought this is the painting I've been working on lately. And I'm wanting to put some drips right here. And so to have them show up, I could either use like a light color or I could use a dark color. And I'm gonna go for a dark just to really give you an idea of how it looks. And so there's two different ways you can do it. You can spray first and get it a little bit wet and then go in with some paint like this, and it gives more of a softer edge at the top, and then you spray, boom, like that. And you see it's dripping all the way down. Can you see that? I don't know how to get it closer, but or what I usually do is I just paint right on the dry bit and then spray it. And you want to you need quite a bit of paint and quite a bit of water. So it's going to be messy. You're not going to want to paint on this probably right away, but this is how you get a really nice drip effect. You just go like that. See? Can you see that? Well, put that up close so you can see it. You just go like that, and you see how that's going like that? All right, and then the next thing I wanted to show you was how I do stencils. So I'm going to choose this stencil right here. It's like a leafy type of thing, and then I'm going to use the same color. So actually, yeah, I think I am going to use the same, or maybe I could use gold. No, I'm not going to use gold. I'm just going to use the same color just to do this here. So I got that dark color, and then you want to use a dry, bristly brush, or you can use a sponge, but I'm just using something very similar to this, which is like a really bristly dry brush. And then you're just going to dab, dab, dab in the paint, and I'm going to stick it on something that will show. So can you see that over there? I don't know if you can, but I'll bring it up close. So then I'm not going to do the whole stencil. I'm just going to be part of it. But then you just put the stencil down, and you can lay your painting down or just do it like I'm doing it here. And then I just, just putting the paint on like this. And you don't want to move the stencil or you'll smear it. But even if you do smear it, big deal. You can always paint over it. It's not the end of the world. But this is how I do it. So, and it just leaves a cool effect. So I'll show you. That looks cool. So this is how that looks when I did that. Can you see that? Here, how close can I get it without knocking something over? You see? That's how you do a stencil. Super easy peasy and such a powerful effect. And I might do that somewhere else in a lighter color, like over here, just to bring that in a little bit, maybe even somewhere else. I like to do things in threes. So that is how you do stenciling and how you do using your spray bottle for drips. Thanks for watching. Bye.